Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Again, another one of our custom-built engines. Has to be one of our very popular 347s. We build a lot of different 347s. Has to be the 450 edition. But the biggest thing I'm trying to explain to people about any of our motors is the quality of parts that goes into it. Forged pistons, brand new Eagle crank, brand new Eagle rod, Cleveite bearings, our own custom designed roller camshaft by Comp. We got the FiTech EFI system on here. Hearts and soul go into each and every one of our motors. That's why we back them up with a great warranty. Interested in any one of our builds, give Steve a call. 1-800-267-3940. Remember what I say, the proof's in the performance. Thank you. Okay, Ryan, we got your 1966 Ford Mustang engine here. Happens to be one of our 347 450 editions. Let's fire this bad boy up. How's that?